Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got something that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. We got this. This came out, I think, out of that triple box, and it just says it's seafood, but the packaging is different. This might be Oishii seafood. That's going to be my guess. I think there was an Oishii curry, and the packaging was similar. I believe Oishii just means delightful or delicious. So I guess this regular seafood isn't supposed to be delicious. I don't know, but it's kind of interesting. That much. So the water has almost come to a boil. It is a bright, clear, cold day outside. I mean, it is I don't know. When I got up, it said it was 35, and it is November 14th, 2023. So, yeah. Still need some form of lighting fix for my setup here. Nobody replied. I like, anybody help me out with maybe some lighting or no? Maybe I should just do a GoFundMe. That could be easier. When I had some computer problems in the past, I did a GoFundMe, and people, wow, it was impressive and really kind. So I don't like to hit up group or website or stuff for like direct monetary help or anything like that, but what did we do? When my mom died, to help with funeral expenses, people helped out with that. That was kind. You might think, wow, you're the Ramen Raider, you have a show every day and all this stuff, you must be a millionaire. No, we're scraping. We are really scraping right now. But hopefully not for long. But I've been saying that for a few years now. So I don't know if that's going to get any better, but we have each other. So that's a good thing. And yeah, I went out, did my walk-in, got some, I'm doing another 3 today. And I got a lime. 1 lime, 99 cents. What the frickin' heck? I don't know. And I got a bunch of cilantro. It's really dark. I like the cilantro when it's a lighter color. Pardon me, coriander. Yeah, I like it when it's a lot lighter in color. And it's just really dark. Not cool. But I got a lime, and I got coriander, and I believe the next 2 reviews I'll be using those with. Maybe. Should be. I think so. So, yeah. And of course we have Louise, who is being pretty good. She's whining a little bit, but not too bad. And when I got home, it wasn't a horrible mess. It was a mess, though. She did make a mess. But it's conference week these next 2 weeks, so there's going to be a lot of days that are really short days for the kids at school. So they get off of school in 1 hour and 10 minutes, so I got to be out for the bus in about 1 hour and 15 minutes, which, yeah, I'll be able to get these 3 done in time. I've been kind of like looking at, okay, how long are these going to take? And I think I'm getting the timing right. Uh-oh. Great. Okay, well, I'm going to say that's done. My, this thing charges. Oh, there. Right? Okay. Well, I'm plugging it in either way. Yeah, a kitchen timer that charges. It's really a handy dandy deal. Nice big numbers on it. Here is what we have. I'm guessing this is Nissin Oishii seafood flavor. There's the broth. The broth is tasty. Looks like we got some seafoody bits in here. Yeah. Kind of honestly reminds me of the regular one. And I'm going to be honest, I'm not... A lot of their flagship stuff just doesn't float my boat all that much. It doesn't really... There you go. Oh, it's such a classic. It's so amazing. Except for one. And that's Nissin Chicken Ramen, the original first instant noodle they came out with. Man, I'm thirsty. There we go. So here, there's lots of bits, but they're just not. It's not one that makes me go, wow, what do you think of that? It just makes me go, yeah, another cup noodle. Cup noodle, it's kind of like, you know how there's a million flavors of Kit Kats that come out of Japan? You know which one I think is the best? The original. Especially the one from Japan. And the ones from Thailand, too. Because they're not so overbearingly sweet, they kind of try to lean more towards like cacao. There have been a couple of the fancy Kit Kats that I've liked, but mostly I just don't think they're all that. A lot of people like to get all the new Kit Kats, and oh, I can't wait to try it. And it's like, you know, they're not that great. It's kind of the same with cup noodles, I gotta admit. I've had a few that have been really interesting, but generally I'm not a fanboy of that whole deal. Call me kooky. Well, don't do it in mixed company. Call me kooky. A lot of people like them, that's fine. The chili tomato, yeah. Start talking about tonkatsu and then we can get going there, but Tenmen, the Nissin Cup Tenmen is good. I like that. Anyways. Well, thank you very much for watching. Yeah, the next one you're going to see is from Meet Me. This is Kamhyong Pan Mi. And this looks to be a dry variety. And it's like crab curry paste? Curry crab paste with fried crab stick. Yeah, I think this may float my boat. Anyways, this has been Hans and Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day, and catch this on the next show. Have a good one. Bye-bye.